Okay, Steve again, February the 8th, 2024. Hopping on board this 2015 Sun Tracker 22 Fishing Barge Deluxe XP3 Tri-Tune. Does have a capacity of 10 person or 1,650 pounds. It does feature the Humminbird 688 KVD. That is a depth sonar fish finder and GPS. Nice Jensen stereo. Does have the Minn Kota trolling motor with remote. As you can see, no rips, no tears. The vinyl and everything's in perfect condition. Does have the tow bar, motor cover. Captain shear looks great. Bimini. Lots of storage. All batteries were replaced. 2023. My name is Steve. You can see this at boatsatdallas.com.